Have you ever tried to auto-replace 2 or more smart layers, only to find one replacement job appearing in Job Queue? Let me show you how this happens.
This example mockup has 4 smart layers. Let me just queue the first smart layer with 3 replacement images. So now, we have our first replacement job queued. Now watch what happens when I queue this second smart layer with another 3 replacement images. We are expecting to have 2 jobs queued here already, but we only see the recent one. If we check out all the smart layer contents, you will see why. Notice the first content file name. Check out the content file name of the second smart layer. They are similar file names appended by numbers. Let's check out the other content file names. Notice how all of them have the same base file names appended by numbers.
This caused Job Queue to overwrite replacement jobs on certain smart layers.
The numbers appended to the file names are only for the temporary files created when replacing smart layer contents. We could go further and queue the 4 smart layers. And we would get just one replacement job overwriting the previous. And if we run it, with the 4th job, Job Queue would replace just the first smart layer it finds that has the recorded file name.
Before, the solution was to rename the content of each smart layer to something unique.
This was to be done manually by exporting the content with a unique file name and replacing the original content with the exported. Now, Job Queue does the renaming automatically. Right before the job replacement is queued. It will remind you to save the document to keep the new content file names. Renaming happens only if smart layers share the same file names. We can then see the new content file names in Job Queue. We now have 4 jobs to run. As advised, you should save the document that has the new Smart Layer content file names.
To find out how to get the Job Queue add-on update, please read the video description.